afternoon, sorry. Welcome back to Masala Booty. This is Gopal. I'm currently here in the studio. Thanks to Shubhakar for allowing me to do this session with Leia. Her name is very difficult to pronounce. I just have to read, so sometimes it's a little bit silly. But yeah, we'll more straight into the discussion. Maybe Leia Damayanti. Oh shit, like it sounded like
You can call me Domo.
Tamo. Okay, we are going to call her Tamo for this session.
Yeah.
People, so if I say Tamo, it's her, okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll respond.
So, Tamo, can you give us a small introduction about like where are you from, what you do, like let's just begin with that, like.
Okay. So I grew up in Kolkata. My schooling, everything was in Kolkata, and unless I went outside from Bengal, it's like for doing my masters, I went to Hyderabad Central University.
So, basically, so until you had gone to college, joined college, you were in
yeah,
Bengal.
joined college. Like I did my 12th like in 2007.
Okay.
Then after 5 years of it, basically, I go to an art college. I get the opportunity finally.
Okay. So 5 years के टाइम में फिर क्या मतलब like what was happening in your life?
So in 5 years, there's like a lot of things were happening. I was like I was studying economics honors for 2 years,
Oh,
and then side by side I was doing a job. I was working in a BPO.
okay,
Yeah.
okay,
So basically, initially when I was staying home, around 10th के exam के बाद I asked my father कि
okay.
I want to pursue art or something creative field में कुछ करना चाहता है. I also didn't have the clarity कि particularly कोई मतलब animation में जाना है या
So-
graphic designer बनना है. I didn't know that.
Okay.
But I knew it कि I love making drawings और मुझे और स्कूल में जो स्टेज डिज़ाइन का या फिर स्पेस डिज़ाइन का जो है आइडिया, व्हेन आई लुक बैक नाउ आई सी कि मैं स्कूल में वो बहुत पहले से करती थी.
Got it.
बिकॉज इन स्कूल्स ऑल द फंक्शंस, तो वहाँ पे डेकोरेशन का काम आई वाज ऑलवेज सो एक्टिव इन देयर.
Yeah, and in general also the kind of culture, art culture
Yeah.
that is there in Bengal in
Mhm.
itself is very much like prominent, no? Like
Yeah,
almost.
prominent, but it's a very traditional way they will do things.
Okay.
And but I remember myself, interacting my teachers, my
Okay.
seniors all the time. Okay, let's do something different
Uh-huh.
this year in puja. It's a very traditional religious like puja. Saraswati puja is a very big thing in all the academic institutions in Bengal. तो हम लोग बहुत ऐसे धूमधाम से we decorate and everything. ठीक है. One time I did like every ornaments and every decoration sarees I decorated with sola. Shola जो होता है ना, naturally मिलता है. So
Okay.
it was white on white.
Okay.
Okay. So when I see these things, वो
So
white
this-
on
this
white
was-
कहाँ
this
से आ रहा है?
So this was listeners. With the conversation can also be like happening in Hindi, sometimes in English. Don't worry
Is
because
it
you
fine?
can.
Is it fine? Like okay.
Because listeners, you guys can like go to my blog also and read about like I'll be giving a summarized version of what she has shared. Some things may be in Hindi, so I'll
Yeah.
be translating them in English so that it's readable for all of you, right? But yeah, the conversation might also take in these two different languages just to
We are
inform you.
going bilingual,
Yeah,
yeah.
we are just going with the flow.
Yeah.
So what you're saying is now is like the things that you were doing when you were a kid.
Yeah.
Right.
So so like 5th standard say I used to like actively participated in all the function designing or decoration space में. I was all over there or like not in school also, in the mohalla areas,
Okay.
clubs में. Every occasion I would go and like obviously my parents would be like what is wrong with me, why I am spending so much time there. Like school के बाद भी 3-4 घंटे तक I would spend there, I would create things, okay. और अल्पना देते हैं like this religious occasions में usually Bengali household वो white color की खड़ी मिट्टी से like we हाँ that thing. तो ऐसे पूरा बहुत बड़े halls में I would do those kind of things. So yeah, so that time I was not very conscious कि I would pursue art like as a career I would do, but I was very sure कि I want to be in a creative profession. I didn't know what kind of profession that would be.
So then how come economic
हाँ
honors,
तो वही like initially ना when you're just 18 years old you usually don't go against your parents. And maybe if you want to go but you don't have that courage ki you know ki if they are not okay with it. So my father he would say he is also like we grew up in a middle class family and the financial stability is very important for them. So now I can understand also like initially I used to very angry with them why they were not so supportive, but now when I look back with time now I realize ki they are also coming from their understanding and limitation and how they perceive things. And so that's why they wanted a like place where I can be financially secure. So that's why they were doing all those
I think
things.
yeah, a lot of the time when I have conversations with like other artists, practitioners, like myself, so we also get these questions, you know, like from our parents, ki yaar, what are you doing, like you know, still jobless, unemployed, and like always.
For first generation artists who are like not from artist backgrounds, for them I think it's very similar story, right? I have like when I came to art college, I met a lot of people who are actually face the same kind of struggle what I had. Ki initially they are not very supportive,
but like in Bengal, like you know, the upbringing of a lot of the
you got exposure to you know things like कि ये normal habit है कि बच्चे को they will put in art school, they will put like in a music school. हाँ ऐसा तो वो तो है normally है, but वो ऐसे feather की तरह होगा आपका. But mainstream में you have to become a like या तो आपको UPSC देना है, otherwise you have to go, you can become a doctor, lawyer or anything else like a stable career. हाँ जो मतलब हाँ 200 साल से चला आ रहा है जो professions है like still profession that kind of thing.
So when you were in your college time, so what did it like? Was there like a turning point for you? You know, like
turning points were there like lots of time. Like so I would like to mention where I get the motivation to enroll myself in art college.
Got it.
ठीक है because it was already 5 years gone. All of my friends who are already done with their master degree, then I am going to apply in a like graduation program. That was not a very easy decision to make, right?
For you, like
for me, yeah, because most of my friends and academically I was not a topper, but I was a good student. Academically I was doing okay, and then like I could have done a lot of other things also, okay. And so while I was doing economics honors, then I did ad and copywriting course. तो वो भी 1 साल के लिए किया. And then I like did a few jobs also in between. ठीक है कि मैं वो काम भी कर रही थी because there was a lot of disagreement happening with my father.
Okay.
So I would left home, I will rent a place, I will stay there, I will do a job or try to find other things.
Okay.
And और तब मैं साइड में what I was trying to do कि जो creative चीज़ें हैं, just when I was also studying economics honors, I was doing it in a distance course, IGNOU से कर रही थी. IGNOU से कर रही थी. Because मैं study तो complete करना चाहती थी. That was like Bengali family में आपको वो I was fed into that.
Okay.
वो तो आपको करना ही है. ठीक है मतलब मास्टर्स तक तो करना ही है आपको. उसका तो सवाल ही नहीं है. तो I was like हाँ मैं कॉलेज में या फिर कोर्स में एनरोल कर दिया खुद को. But side by side I would go to College Street area. It's a place where like a lot of writers and musicians and painters they would hang out. So I would go and try to connect with them, with the community,
Got it.
and I try to like understand how good am I, like am I really
Okay.
I because initially you don't know ना, हाँ तुम्हें स्कूल में अच्छा पेंटिंग करना आता है, but you don't get the surety कि तुम as a professional artist how good you would
Okay.
be.
Okay.
So all those questions I had, और मैं थोड़ा ऐसा जो आर्टिस्ट है जो आर्ट कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं कोलकाता के, तो आई ट्राई टू मिंगल विद देम, ओके, कि हाउ प्रैक्टिस गो ऑन, हाउ दे इवॉल्व देयर लैंग्वेज, और उसके बाद क्या होता है आफ्टर कॉलेज, व्हाट दे डू.
Yeah. Basically, you're trying to find out like
Yeah.
what happens like if you go
Yeah,
with this.
if I go with this, and then I realized it's not easy either. If I go to an art college, firstly, like अगर कोई government college में मुझे पता है the fees are not that high, but you have to like spend a lot of money on materials and other things.
For sure.
Yeah, and you have to have a studio space. So all these things. So I was also very worried कि how I am going to do this. तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं हो सकता शायद. Okay, initially I was convinced ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा. This is not for me, and I thought I will become a self-taught artist.
Okay.
Okay, and so I would do illustration. I started working with a lot of writers because I used to write also poetry. So I used to work with them and I would do illustration for magazines.
Alright.
Or I find a way where I can survive like that.
So I think also surviving, but then also at the same
Keeping
time,
alive the creative side of me.
and trying to
Yeah.
this and trying to go in like that direction, like using your creativity as a not just source of income also, but also
Yeah.
in terms of getting some self satisfaction, I would
Yeah.
say. I know.
Like honestly, if you ask me, I never try to design my life or my career, whatever the practice I am doing, कि financially कैसे होगा, वो तो शायद अभी I'm 35 years old now, maybe I started questioning myself, is it a good thing? तो but money management का जो चीज़ है, तो I can't think वो financially thought मेरा आता ही नहीं था.
Is it maybe because you also have done like economic thing that
Economics.
no, I mean like artists in general know, like I've seen like we are really bad with our finance. This, I mean,
Yeah. You know
if
what?
we get married or something, then that's another situation.
Marrying was never an option for me. Okay, from
No,
a very
I mean,
early age.
no. I mean like the idea of how we manage our finance, right?
Yeah.
So a lot of the time, when listeners, we are diverting the topic a little bit from childhood to
Yeah.
like how we
Financially
business,
manage ourselves. Okay.
like for artists, number one, if you look at the tax, the current tax situation,
Slabs, yeah.
the percentage that actually is put on art is actually more than 18%. 18% GST is tax is for like almost all of the standard goods and services, but for art it comes under the luxury product.
Luxury products.
So
right.
that's like a margin of I think 22% tax, something like that. So all this kind of knowledge we don't have, no?
We don't have.
We don't have, and at the same time, when we have to go and buy materials, is also so expensive, like
Yes.
and
So I just realized if people work, they earn money.
yeah,
An initial career of an artist, if you work, you spend money. You don't get money.
yeah,
Okay. I think living in Baroda, it's a bit like privileged space where still you can get visibility very quickly. Where like if you are studying in Baroda or you are living here, a lot of studios are there and a lot of activities is happening here.
okay,
In a contemporary art scene, the activities. The Kolkata you are saying, it's definitely it's culturally very evolved place. But the current scenario, if you say, not a lot of activities are happening, and
Okay.
most of the galleries, they are not commercially giving any opportunity any artist ki they can sustain through the process.
So
Like,
the Durga Puja, no.
Mhm.
So I've gone like visited Durga Puja, like,
Right.
attended few times,
Mhm.
couple of times only. But
Mhm.
that in itself is also like a platform, no, for the
Yeah, so that is the only, not only, but जो तीन चार options है, it is a very prominent option जहाँ पे you can work for it. Like it's like seasonal जैसे होता है ना,
got it.
जैसे celebration, जैसे यहाँ पे भी राखी में होता है. Lot of people are employed in making
And
rakhis.
there like the government also has a huge like
Not government, basically there are like small clubs there. Okay, and there
clubs
is
means like associations,
yeah.
enterprises, which
Associations,
sponsors.
they sponsor, they collect sponsor from corporates,
Okay.
and the budget gets like sometimes they're like around big budget puja होता है कोलकाता में, it's like runs approx 5 लाख से 20 लाख तक हो सकता है, like okay, 5 to 20 lakhs.
So listeners, like if you don't know what the festival of Durga Puja is, like it happens during Navratri time, right?
Yeah,
Can you just like give a small
introduction of Durga Puja?
yeah, just like
Is the
so that like listeners if they are from abroad, like you know they
Mhm.
don't know what this festival is
Yeah,
about.
yeah,
So I think
yeah.
9 days festival, right?
Yeah, it's 10 days festival.
10 days
10 days festival. And like entire Kolkata, like more than 5,000 pandals will be there.
Yeah.
Like
Pandals are like stage
staged
installations.
installation spaces where like people can come together, and it doesn't seem very religious. If you go the
Yeah,
experience,
yeah.
you know, it's very different.
And the last time I had gone there, I was
वो
very
festival वाला vibe is way more prominent
yeah.
than the religious function here.
Mhm.
Religious rituals तो होते हैं. Durga Puja के there are things, और clubs के there are members who will be involved in
Yeah,
that, like
yeah.
3-4 guys. But और अगर 5,000 लोग इसमें involved हो रहे हैं, they would come and they would hang out,
Mhm.
they will enjoy the ambience, and it's like that.
Mhm.
It's the important festival. जैसे बिहार में छठ होता है, या फिर साउथ में ओणम होता है. दुर्गा पूजा is
Yeah,
like that
yeah.
in Bengal. तो yeah, तो lot of तो for everything here is also Navaratri. If you go to Nawa Bazaar, you see lot of like fabrics
Yeah.
and ornaments, right?
Yeah.
So that's a source of income of people who are involved making all those things and selling things. So in Durga Puja is also like that. There's like people who design lights only in Durga Puja.
Yeah.
Okay, there will be people who would make the bamboo structures.
Mhm.
So that's a profession, like prominent profession. Throughout the year they would prepare and they would make those structures. और कुछ fixed structures होते हैं, कुछ ऐसे design ऐसे
Mhm.
theme wise बनाते हैं. So it's this whole industry built around the Durga Puja, where actually some of the artists and craftsmen can sustain, and they survive on it. But honestly, I worked in like 2-3 Durga Pujas. Like I was saying, na Saraswati Puja mein I used to do the decoration. I'm very very much interested into it. So Durga Puja mein while in college, ऐसे साइड इनकम के लिए, मटेरियल्स के लिए, तो आई वुड गो एंड वर्क इन दुर्गा पूजास. बट दैट टाइम आई डिडंट एंजॉय अ लॉट.
Got it.
Because again I was telling about the kind of when you choose a profession or particular specific area in your profession also, like being a creative person, you choose a niche path.
Mhm.
That comes with a certain amount of lifestyle. You interact with certain types of people. So if you are working in a Durga Puja pandal, या फिर you are doing commercial work in Kolkata, you have to interact with people who are like
So was it
club के लोग हैं.
So was it like challenging for you to then, you know, because you were already taking part in these sort of activities
Yeah.
to self-sustain yourself,
Sustainability.
but then like how was your dad's or parents' reaction when they got to realize कि अरे भाई, like you know, you just did your economic thing and you are now moving into this field which has
Not all the time I would inform them, very honestly.
Oh,
Okay.
it was like a very secretive mission you were
Yeah,
doing by
yeah,
yourself.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
crazy. They inspired people like.
Yeah. तो ऐसा, yeah, we don't need to inform parents all the time. अगर
I mean,
मेरे
yeah.
कोई project के लिए मुझे पैसे चाहिए, I can do also make a income source कि जहाँ
Got it.
से we can actually have some money
I
to
like this
do-
attitude.
Yeah. Yeah.
But there's also, sometimes I'm not saying that it is, but like sometimes, like, even male friends, like my guy friends, where it is expected, like in the society, they have this idea of, like, guys are free to do whatever they want, and like उनका तो कोई कुछ बोलने वाला नहीं है, and that sort of ideology is there,
Yeah.
perspective is there, right? But then at the same time, I know a lot of people who wanted to go into creative fields, but then because they are the man of the house, so they have to now take responsibility of maybe, let's say, the family business, or like they have no choice,
Yeah.
and those people also, like, even though they want to do it, they still maybe like they have accepted ki हाँ यार, I want to like take.
See.
So I think in that way, like, it's very inspiring to hear your stories where you are standing up for yourself basically, and
But
you know-
but you have to remember, I am coming from a privileged background
okay.
where I don't have to. Maybe I'm not getting a lot of support from their end, but either I'm not supporting them financially, right? I have a lot of friends like who are working in the same field, and they have to send money at home and every
Yes,
month,
yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So it's like that, and you have to take responsibility. And irrespective of any gender biases, I would say, like जैसे commercial काम में, if I would say, is very less women, almost नहीं है.
Okay.
Okay, क्योंकि कमर्शियल काम जो होता है, it's like physically very laborious work.
Got it.
You have to climb up and paint, on cement से काम कर रहे, very industrial material product से काम कर रहे. Most of the sculpture department के जो है, who are studying sculpture, they are very used to with all these things. But from people coming from printmaking or painting background, उनके लिए थोड़ा सा मुश्किल भी होता है,
Yes, yes.
क्योंकि पेंटिंग करना या पेंट करना, that's a niche part.
Got it.
But you structurally have to, when you have to create a like architecture जैसे
Yeah,
है, बनाना
yeah,
है, temporary architectural spaces you are creating, so that's a lot of physical effort. और वहाँ पे ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा कि you are only designing, sitting in your desk, और बहुत सारे है workers, you are giving instruction, ऐसा नहीं होता है.
Got it. Got it.
You have to like be present and construct everything with your hand. Okay, and और आर्ट कॉलेज में हो तब तो तुम स्टूडेंट हो. All these big budget pujas, so जो 10 साल से already commercially जो लोग कर रहे established artist है, like Shonatun Binda, या फिर बहुत सारे ऐसे established artists who are actually doing this big budget puja. So they would hire like students like this, like ऐसे daily wage की तरह कुछ pay करेंगे, and they had to work under them.
Got it.
And if you are working for like 2-3 years, eventually
So
you
it's
get
kind of
there.
like a ecosystem that's
Ecosystem happening, and
also-
there is hierarchy also. Like you have
Okay,
to be
nice.
there. It's a hierarchical structure. पहले तुम काम करोगे, उसके बाद थोड़ा सा senior हो
Oh,
जाओगे.
promotion
Promotion होगा
okay,
तुम्हारा.
okay.
Then you can maybe ask 5 more guys और अपने juniors को बुला लो. फिर एक circle बना के then you can approach some clubs.
Got
तो वैसे होता है. And you have to like interact with political people. You have to interact with clubs,
Okay.
and that is not a very pleasant experience for me.
Okay.
That was never like, and literally I only saw, except me, कोलकाता में मेरे अलावा मेरे एक ही friend थी, a female person like artist who is working in that area.
Okay.
तो बहुत सारे फीमेल कर रही है काम, ऐसा भी नहीं है. तो क्या है कि मेरे दोस्त भी है, तो वो अपने अपने में they will divide the work ना.
Got it. Yeah.
So for me, getting a commercial work was not easy at all.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay.
And मैं बहुत proactively I would go and talk to people.
So
like paintings, I would share images.
So apart from the Durga Pandals and that
What are
area,
the-
what are like the other areas of work that you were interested and you had like participated, and
Okay.
what sort of work?
अच्छा, पहले मेरी
Like
theory तो
just
ये है.
few
Yeah.
points if you can
Yeah.
share.
तो basically मेरा idea
Because
ये
it
है.
seems like also like you are into the idea of exploration.
Exploration,
doing
yeah.
different things.
हाँ,
right?
so that's where I was like pointing out कि मुझे किसी चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट है कि नहीं, how do I know that?
Yeah.
By doing it, right?
Alright.
तो मुझे हमेशा ही लगा एक्सप्लोरेशन इज द वे. So I would go and I would just spend time with that thing, and if I find it's for me, I will do it, continue with
So
that.
in this, with that 5 year gap,
So every possible option for artist, जो जो कर सकते थे कोलकाता में, like I had worked with galleries as a coordinator.
Okay.
I worked as a writer. Then I was working with theatre people, designing costume and sets.
Okay.
Then I worked in like film direction, like people who are like amateur who are making film, तो
Short
उनके
films.
लिए हाँ short films उनके वहाँ पे भी, और commercially भी मैंने जो guild है वहाँ पे, जैसे मुंबई में है, in कोलकाता film industry में there is like film guild, जहाँ पे
Okay.
art direction guild है, तो I went there directly without any reference.
So until that time, basically you were trying to explore yourself in different
Yeah,
creative fields.
हाँ.
So during that time,
Mhm.
I suppose like now
Mhm.
because of these experiences, it tend to like give you more push to
Push towards yeah.
go into art
But
field.
academic structure में आना was difficult for me. One guy, basically Ratul Da. Ratul Da was like I was like जो student politics में I was not very actively one of the member of it, but I was there. I would go like for जो social work या community work होता था, I was involved in there as well. तो there Ratul Da was like witnessed me कि how much I am into it, and एक cultural कोई program होता था तो how involved I was.
Yeah.
तो he just one day he told me कि I mean why you are not pursuing it seriously, why you are not getting enrolled yourself in an art college. तो I told him कि ये तो बहुत expensive है, मैं job करूँगी, ये भी करूँगी, how I am going to manage this.
Got it.
So he said to me, don't think all this, okay? If you are this much passionate about it, you're still young, you can enroll yourself in a college, so go for it. और रास्ता निकल आएगा. You'll figure it out while doing it. Just jump, okay?
Yeah.
And yeah, and I jumped.
No, because like it's very interesting because if you also listen to my other podcasts, then you will hear this aspects of like every individual where there is someone who has given them the push. And I feel like that is one of the most fascinating point, and also like regardless of so-called like the right time, you know, for us it was like okay, we finished our high school, we got to know like there's some institute where we, you know, all day you can do art. For me it was like
I was involved in creative activities, but वो जो एक direction में जाना होता है ना, that was not there. And मेरे दिमाग में था वो. I was imagining myself doing, I would write poetry, मैं illustration करूँगी, और I will take a small place here, जैसे मैथ्स में होता है, I will spend my entire life like that. ठीक है, और मुझे और क्या है, मूवी देखना है, लिखना है और पेंटिंग करना है. Yeah, that's it.
so
And
so then you took the admission.
Yeah, admission लिया.
And how did it like
It was not what I was expecting.
it was really not surprise.
Yeah, surprise.
Why you are saying like this? Like,
अच्छा, initially I thought I would be very excited when I got into an art college. तो क्या था, पहले तो ये है कि मुझे थोड़ा मैंने सर्च किया कि अच्छे बेस्ट कॉलेजेस, आर्ट कॉलेजेस, ओके, जैसे आप ऐसे देखते हो ना, तो वे और योर पेरेंट्स लाइक फीड यू टू यू नो लुक अप थिंग्स कि अच्छे कॉलेजेस क्या है कोलकाता में या वेस्ट बंगाल में और इंडिया में, ओके. तो अच्छे आर्ट कॉलेजेस तो मैंने देखे, तो मेरे क्लोज प्रॉक्सिमिटी में था जो शांति निकेतन, ओके, एंड द अदर कॉलेजेस व्हाट वाज इन कोलकाता,
गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज,
हाँ गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज है, इंडियन आर्ट कॉलेज है, रविंद्र भारती यूनिवर्सिटी है, एंड सो देयर आर और फ्यू मोर कॉलेजेस है. बट द थिंग इज कि मैं चाहती थी कि कोलकाता से बाहर रहूँ, कि घर से थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस पे रहूँ, ठीक है, या बिकॉज हाँ तो
And
मुझे
also
थोड़ा
because you
I
are
want to
coming of the age
coming
where
of
you want
age,
to
yeah,
be
explore,
independent also,
being
no?
independent and और जो हाँ जो restriction होती है, I wanted to grow and meet with people and communities, and that was not very easy, you know, living like in your parents' house. So I thought I should go and explore, go outside और hostel life कैसा होता है वो भी थोड़ा experience करना
Okay.
है. Yeah, all those things were there. So I was applied only in Shantiniketan, not in other colleges. और वैसे 2-3 colleges में तो मेरा already year gap हो गया था ना
Okay, okay.
academic year में, क्योंकि those 5 years like मैं तो on off थी ऐसे कि 2 साल economics किया, फिर एक साल ad copywriting का course किया, फिर business किया, 2 jobs किए, तो it was like that. तो अभी 2 कॉलेज में रविंद्र भारती में आप नहीं कर सकते. Indian
So
Art
you mean
College
like the age, was there like an age bar like after this age?
एज बार होता है
Okay.
कहीं कहीं पे, और कहीं कहीं पे तुम्हारा एकेडमिक ईयर में अगर कोई गैप है सो यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू अप्लाई देयर. ओके, इट वाज हैपनिंग. तो शांति निकेतन वाज द ओनली ऑप्शन फॉर मी. ओके, and of course there was nobody to guide me, though I was in Kolkata and I was meeting with artists. मुझे ऐसा बहुत I didn't met during that time someone who can guide me through the process of entrance exam or something
Okay,
like that.
okay.
Okay, तो first time मुझे नहीं मिला शांति निकेतन में. Okay, the second time I was more determined, I was more hungry and मुझे तो अभी करना ही है जैसे तैसे करके. So I started a small business where I would design t-shirts. I made some money. My mom also helped me, okay, in the process. Financially भी थोड़ा मॉम ने थोड़ा उनका savings से मुझे दिया था, और मैंने business से जो पैसे लेके I started living there in Shanti Niketan. For 3 months I lived there.
Okay.
Okay, कि I was preparing myself.
Nearby the university area?
हाँ,
Somewhere
nearby
there?
university
Okay.
area. वहाँ पे रहती थी मैं, और वहाँ पे I used to like show my works to someone, a senior artist. Shipuda was there.
Okay.
And I showed my works to them, and he would guide me like you know through the process, caterers process का. तो वो मैंने किया for 3 months and I applied again for the second time. And जब result आया तो मैं वहाँ थी and my name was not there.
Okay.
Okay, and I didn't know what to do now.
Alright.
Because I got all the support I can have.
Yeah, it's pretty like when you look at the universities like fine art
Yeah,
colleges
yeah.
and design colleges.
Yeah.
Number one, I think.
Very limited
Yeah,
seats are there. Like that time it was like 8 seats
Okay.
from general category.
Oh,
There
yeah,
were
yeah.
8 people, and yeah, and thousands of people would come and sit for the exam, and who are already in the process. They know they are staying for 1 year. और वो मुझे बहुत सारे connections तो नहीं मिले थे तब तक.
Got it.
और maybe I was not able to make those connections कि जहाँ से मुझे guidance मिले कि कैसे होता है. Okay, and yeah, but the senior artist I took advice from. So he told me कि तो I was there, my name was not there, and 3 months he was a very senior artist. तो मैं तो बहुत डर के जाती थी in your room, and he has a big studio space. ऐसे इससे डबल साइज का काम like 6 feet by 8 feet का काम. Now he lives in Delhi. Okay, work with a few galleries. So he was practicing there that time.
So was it like that? Was that moment your first time like actually going into another artist studio
Yeah.
and seeing?
Who are practicing and working with gallery
Yeah.
in mainstream, and yeah, and that was wow for me. I mean,
So that changed and I think
Yeah.
really inspired.
Yeah,
you
that
at
inspired me
moment.
a lot. And I imagined in my mind, I just imagined, okay, now eventually I will make a space like this. Okay, so yeah, that was a very amazing experience, and but I would be very shy, and I don't know, like this is the first time I'm going into that space. It's very intimidating also, and he's a very calm and very peaceful person he was. And he would just ask me, you can change the background. Yeah, thoda sa dark kar sakte ho. Yeah, like that. He would never draw a single line and say, "ये कर दो, ये कर दो, ये कर दो." Yeah. So after when I didn't get chance there, so she would have come there and hugged me. Okay, suddenly I was very shocked because he never handshake भी नहीं किया कभी उन्होंने. Okay, he'd always sit for a distance और मैं ऐसा थोड़ा सा डर डर के काम दिखा के. He just hugged me and said me, you know, you grow in 3 months so tremendously. I have seen you and how honest you are with your practice. मैंने तो तुम्हें एक लाइन भी नहीं देखा है. मैंने बोला तुमने इतना ज़्यादा improve किया in 3 months only. I think you should be here in our field. Or that meant a lot for me, of course. Okay, coming that was from a person who is practicing. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत important
And
था.
I think he also got to know, he
Yeah.
understood that you know, like not being selected in
Yeah,
the,
yeah,
you
yeah.
know, it really did
Yeah,
broke your heart, you know.
Yeah.
And I think that's very important for, you know, sometimes
exactly.
like
Yeah, it's part of the process.
Yeah.
Like you'd fail and fail over and
Yeah.
over, and sometime you'll figure it out. Sometime you'll okay, अब हो गया. Yeah.
So then from there you had gone to Hyderabad?
No, from there, so वहाँ पे he suggested me there is another college क्योंकि कोलकाता में तो बाकी जगह पे नहीं हो रहा था. तो he suggested me this place Bardhaman Art College, College of Art and Design.
Okay.
ठीक है. तो which and this college started like वो मैं शायद 12th batch थी.
Okay.
So it's a very new college in compared to Shantiniketan, who had a legacy of like more than 100 years.
Got it, got it.
A government art college भी है, so more than 100 years. तो ये बहुत ऐसा नया सा college था, and not a lot of people are like known about it. बहुत सारे batches भी नहीं निकले हैं वहाँ से. So yeah, तो अभी मेरे पहले तो मतलब 4th year complete करके 5-6 batch निकले थे.
All right.
Okay, so they're not very visible in the art scene.
I got it.
Okay, and the academic institution के एक idea होता है. I grew up in Kolkata. मैंने Calcutta University, College Street में रही हूँ, Presidency. तो एक the structure of the university, how it can be.
Yes.
और maybe like in Shantiniketan वो एक big institution नहीं, एक building नहीं है, but it's scattered.
Yeah.
You know,
It's
in
a
a very
very
different
different landscape, yeah.
landscape में वो scattered है. तो वैसा भी नहीं है और ऐसा बस एक छोटा सा बिल्डिंग है, वहाँ पे एक कॉलेज है और आसपास कुछ भी नहीं है. there is no activity, nothing is there.
Okay.
Middle of nowhere, it's a small building which is art college. Okay, and I was not very impressed with the space and everything, and initial 6 months was very difficult. Because my father asked me कि okay, so finally if you are really doing it, I would pay for the fees. So he helped me, you know, through the process की graduation के लिए he funded me, and तो और he asked me तो you know it takes a lot of convincing to reach that point.
Okay.
So I can't say no to him. So he said me कि आप daily passenger ही करो. You can travel every day because lot of people are going to Bardhaman every day.
Okay.
But if I from my home to reach my college, it takes 3.5 hours.
Oh.
Okay.
It's that far. Huh?
Yeah. So by train it take 2 hours 45 minutes.
Is it like on the way to Shantiniketan?
On the way to yeah.
To Shantiniketan also we have to take a train, right?
Yeah. Before 45 to 1 hour it comes in between.
Okay,
yeah.
got it.
Okay. बर्धमान होके ही जाता है ट्रेन शांतिनिकेतन. तो इन बर्धमान so I would like स्टेशन से जाने में like half an hour, फिर स्टेशन से उतर के फिर like 20 minutes और ट्रेन में 2 hours and 45 minutes. तो almost 3 to 3.5 hours. That means 6 to 7 hours a day I was spending in like on train and only traveling में जा रहा था. And then it was a very school-like situation. Okay.
Grown-up school.
Grown-up school, yeah. And coming from a place where I already trying to, you know, run away from my home, dealing with, and you know, I trying to be independent. मुझे freedom चाहिए और मुझे creative चीज़ में रहना है. And I also had friends like who are coming from different backgrounds of थिएटर आर्ट राइटर, तो वो एक अलग ही एनवायरनमेंट था इन कोलकाता. बट बर्धमान इज नॉट लाइक दैट. बर्धमान में कुछ भी नहीं है. ओके, दैट्स अ स्मॉल टाउन. ओके, दैट्स अ स्मॉल टाउन ऑफ बंगाल. और वो वैसे वो दैट यूज्ड टू बी अ सिटी लाइक 500 years बैक. वहाँ पे बहुत पुराने पुराने आर्किटेक्चर है, दे आर ब्यूटीफुल. बट वो तो बाद में मैंने डिस्कवर किया. ओके,
I mean, like for that time you were looking for more like Shantiniketan sort of environment for you.
So the idea of me in my mind, what I had, तो उसके लिए वो disappointment था.
Yes, I got it.
So from there I learned when we were going to a new place, you can't have certain kind of expectation. You have to go with a very open mind. What is that space is offering you, then only you can see what is there.
So you continued your studies there?
Yeah, studied there in Bardhaman, and I feel so blessed now. Like ऐसा लगा कि सच में like मैं अगर redo कर सकती हूँ life को थोड़ा पीछे जाके, तो I would do it over again.
Alright, in the same place.
In the same place in Bardhaman only. Because
was it because like there was not a lot of things there? That's why.
I'll tell you why. Because the cultural exposure and everything, you can, I can get that. Like I can go and travel to places, I can get that. But because it's a very small place, so people are very, close with each other.
Okay.
They're emotionally very dependent to each other. Our friends and our professors, like we'd go together for हम outdoor करने एक साथ जाते थे. Our professor would work in our studio. Some of them would stay and live with us.
Got it.
Like जैसे मेस में रहते सब लोग प्रोफेसर वो भी रह रहे हमारे साथ. तो it was a very close knit community. तो that sense और वो जो discipline मुझे सिखाया, I was flying when I was in Kolkata. और शांतिनिकेतन में जाके I might be way more. But that discipline, initially it was very frustrating because I had to travel like 7 hours. Before time maintain करना was not really possible. And all of my teachers were not very happy with me. कि अच्छा कोलकाता से very snob and बिगड़ी हुई लड़की आई है. That is how they perceived me also. Because I was not very regular in the classes. I was getting annoyed and irritated. What is happening here? Nothing is happening. इतना दूर से मैं 7 घंटे किस लिए जा रही हूँ? मुझे वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या है इस स्पेस में. और फिर 6 महीने जाने के बाद eventually one of my professor जो आज भी मेरे mentor है like Shourav Jana, तो he basically noticed me there. And I was telling you, it's a very close-knit community in Bardhaman Art College. So they basically, if one professor know one thing, so everybody would know about that person. And when he noticed me, other professors and art history teachers, they also started noticing me. And they would come to me and ask me what I'm reading, what I'm doing. और जो सबसे मेरे साथ सबसे जो मतलब नहीं जम रहा था, जिनका क्लास फर्स्ट ईयर में होता है, and he is a very disciplined person, Thakuranand Gopal, and he would like make us like make 40 drawings in a day, every day before coming to studio. Okay, so that's a drill होता है, you know that, like every art colleges में it happens. तो वो जो ऐसा forceful है इतना, ठीक है, और वो ऐसा रूटीन की तरह. And it was very difficult for me to manage all that, journey करके वो सब. तो पहले तो उन्होंने बोला, you should take a space here in Bardhaman. You cannot travel. If you spend 7 hours in a day in transport, तो वो नहीं काम करेगा. वो you cannot work like that. First thing, you take a place here, and second thing, you come to studio every day. Okay. I said okay. And he asked me to, so the next day I went there, he asked me to get all my artworks, whatever I have done in my life, जो भी है, he asked me to display that in my space. तो वो मैं 6 महीने बाद कोई डिस्प्ले नहीं था नॉर्मली, मेरा डिस्प्ले था मैंने डिपार्टमेंट में, मेरे लाइक वो प्री कॉलेज प्रिपरेशन का जो था वो सब, पहले के कुछ काम सारे, मेरे डायरीज सारे मैंने डिस्प्ले किया था. and that day actually changed everything.
Alright. So,
Then people my friends who are not my friends because they would think कि ये तो मतलब ऐसे ही.
and I think this is a very good point to like now
Mhm.
take the conversation into another now time period
Mhm.
because here we are now
In
getting
the
to-
academic process.
yeah, now
still.
we are now peeping into the first
Yeah.
like you were saying, no,
Display,
displaying you.
display.
So we will like just take a break
Yeah, right.
and then for the part 2 we will venture more into the visual aspects of her work
Yeah.
and then yeah, also including the current present
Yeah,
work
process
and work. So we will I think we have also gotten some idea of like where you have
Come from,
and what
yeah.
sort of experiences you are
pushed me in that
yeah,
direction.
because I think a lot of the time, you know, everybody has different journey, you know. Some people they finish their high school, join directly. Some have been trying to get into certain college for many years. After many years of trial,
Yeah,
they get into
5,
it, you know.
6, 7
Yeah.
attempts. Yeah, I've seen
And
people.
so, but like I think when we talk about your first display, I think that's some like a very interesting point to start from, like the second
Okay.
session.
Okay,
So
right.
we will take a break and we will next session like
Yeah, we'll start from this.
from there then you can like go into